Hi guys, welcome to Hook's Hot Rods. Been busy the last few weeks. Started on my son's cottage, doing an add-on room for it. And then been working on the truck quite a bit. Plans for the gas tank didn't quite work out the way I wanted them to. So I come up with a new plan I'll show you in a minute. But first I would like to thank Dave from Scott Rods for the cool little dice for the window. I come home one day and they were just in the mailbox. Thanks, Dave. Yeah, they look awesome in there. Hey guys, Al here. I'm getting working on the truck again, and but first I'm doing a convertible top on an old hot rod. So I'll just show you where I'm at with that, and then I'm back to woodwork for the box and the running boards. Need a new top on Fred's car. The snow caved it in this year. It's about, I guess 8 or 9 years old I did that. So I'll get the top on it and show you it finished. There we go, that's the roof on. Okay, so I also have the clear coat on the running boards and on the floor of the box. I don't think you can really see it in the sun, but it turned out really shiny. So now I'll be able to, once these dry, I'll be able to bolt them down and be done with them. So they're all clear coated and bolted down now. Just setting up now to, well, the battery's in, but I have to build a box down there to cover the battery, keep tools in, and also support the gas tank. It's been a busy weekend, got lots done. Even got the new flagpole up. What I'm working on now is got to build a gas tank for it. This is an old gas tank that I got from a friend of mine, but the metal's just too far gone, and it's all banged up. So my plan is to use, I'm hoping this tank here is good inside, but somewhere around here I have the filler neck. I also have the piece for the sending unit, the mount for the sending unit. So my intentions are going to be to make something like this just a bit bigger and a bit shorter. I'm going to shoot for about 30 inches long. So yeah, I got to get to cutting this up. Hopefully the inside's not bad. It's a water system pressure tank, so it could be just as bad as that. I really don't know yet.
He's got his ears on 24/7.
Yeah, one time. As soon as I get done doing it.
Okay, so yeah, I'll show you the gas tank. I was going to use a water pressure tank, and I cut it open and it was shot too. So I come up with a new plan, and that is I'm just going to put a fuel cell in a whiskey barrel and mount it right back here. So I got the running boards on, stained, clear coated, same as the box. It's clear coated as well. And yeah, now I'm just, I got to pick up some flat bar. I am putting a door in this barrel here. This was a whiskey barrel, Jack Daniel's barrel. So yeah, I'm just going to put a little trap door in it so I can keep my gas tank and battery in there. Should look pretty good once I get it set up. And took it out for a ride, and as expected, I found some issues. It sits too low. When I turn hard either direction, the wheels rub on the inner fender brace. So I'm going to raise it probably 2 inches front and back. It's not a major issue. I'll just re-arc the springs, maybe throw in another leaf, and that should take care of that issue. I have the roof liner in now, and yeah, the door panels. I still have to do something with the window switches. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet, or what I'm going to actually use for switches. But it run pretty good. It's going to be a fun car to drive, for sure. You just touch the gas pedal and it starts spinning, so the back tire's got to go. I'll probably put on a set of Mickey Thompsons on the back. Okay, and thanks again for watching, and please subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your friends.